Wholeness and Balanced Vibrations family, I'm here with another amazing announcement. As we continue, we're building more tools to unite the tribe and bring the conscious community together. And this is our next rollout. We're introducing today the Secret Energy Communication Server, which is packed with goodies. Let's take a look. So the first thing we have going on here is that the server is designed to serve. It is designed to bring the community together and really look into the deepest aspects of how we need to connect with one another. So let's just run through this really fast because you'll have your own time to click through these things and see what this is about. And I'm just going to show you an overview of what you can do here. Now, this is brand new. We're going to deploy about 500 people into this chat today because we already have a global chat going on in our community. We've just decided to enhance that and then also allow it to be more inclusive to those who are just coming on board. So we have that welcome area, which just basically does that. It just brings you in and gives you the mindfulness of, hey, checking out the code of conduct first before you jump in. We have our code of conduct. These are the rules and the guidelines and the moderations that must take place for any infractions. We have a guest book. We want you to come and jump in here and just let us know, hey, I came through, I saw, I was here. There it is. Here's the announcements, new things that are happening, stuff that's coming up. Here's where if you want to make any kind of request, new groups, new services, things you would like to see from us, you can do it here. Awards. There is a gamification in here already that just incentivizes based on your engagement inside of the server, and you will get leveled up for that. And we're looking at to give some rewards. We have a chat help here that lets you know all the commands that you can deploy inside of the chat. Let me make that a bit bigger. Excuse me. For those eyes. And then we have an area that you can report bugs here. We have some support letting you know how to get support. And then we have our main group, which is called the TP. That's where tribe meets. That's where we all connect. We have men's groups, women's groups, children groups, and just areas designated for people to meet up in their own little city or town or whatever. And then we also have the topics here: supplements, breathing, exercise, creativity, food. We have a place for artisans to share their work, to share their trades, their skills, and even a place for them to share their products. A lot of people have been asking for that. Everyone knows now we have a cosmic calendar going. This gives you more pointers on that calendar and what to do. We have some book recommendations, and I'm posting books in here that I find to be very instrumental to growth. We have some entertainment happening. Of course, we do need to be entertained from time to time. And one of the best things about the Secret Energy Communication Portal is we have live voice channels. This means that you can literally click right into a channel and hear a live conversation going on. And those conversations could be guided meditations. It could be spiritual talk. It is on point. We also, if you are an ambassador, we have built out a specific area for you in here. So now you get a chance to toggle between your ambassador private groups and those public groups that are also inhabited by Secret Energy members. Now, University members, you have the same thing. You have a new area for us to continuously interact with you and for you to speak with graduates and students alike. And it just goes on and on and on. Ambassadors, of course, have a cryptocurrency group. Inside of this, we have events coming up. We have a Secret Energy keynote where we're going to be showing all the new things that we're rolling out and how we're gamifying and incentivizing mindfulness. I'm just going to leave the rest for you to get in here and check it out yourself. The links are in the description. You just click on it and you get right into the chat and start having fun. That's what's up for now. We got a lot of stuff coming, but you'll need to be here to be notified about it as soon as possible. Wholeness and Balanced Vibration. I will see you soon. Much love.